Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the payment method you intend to use. Open Google Wallet or Payments. Google.com and sign into the account that will be billed. This prevents duplicate methods. Once signed in, tap Add Payment Method and choose Card, Bank Account, or PayPal. Enter the card number, expiry, CVV, and correct billing address. Make sure to accept the terms. Then confirm verification. Google may send an SMS code, email link, or small bank micro deposit. This step links the instrument to your Google profile so it's usable everywhere. Once the method is added, set it as the default where needed so purchases charge the right source. Go to Payment Settings, choose Default Payment Method, and pick the card or account you just added. If you need higher transaction limits, complete two-factor authentication and, when requested, verify identity with an ID. This reduces declines. Make sure your phone or browser is linked. Enable Wallet on Android, add the card to contactless pay, and check Chrome autofill so checkout is fast and consistent across devices. To pay, choose Google Pay at checkout, confirm the payment card, then authenticate with biometrics or PIN. This completes the purchase. Once live, manage methods at payments. Google.com, update expirations, remove old cards, and view transaction history and receipts. This keeps records tidy. If a payment fails, start by checking the billing address and two-factor settings, then verify with your bank for blocks or limits. Rerun the verification step if needed. This final check resolves most issues and restores payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.